Your LinkedIn URL looks ugly and it's just way too long. So let's change that. First, let's talk about why it's important for beauty and wellness pros like yourself to customize your LinkedIn URL. Here are three key reasons. One, personal branding. A customized URL helps create a more polished and professional online presence. It makes your profile easier to find and remember, and reinforcing your personal brand. Two, search engine optimization, SEO. Customizing URL can improve your search engine ranking, making it easier for potential clients, employers, or collaborations to find you. Number three, consistency across platforms. By customizing your LinkedIn URL, you can create a cohesive online presence, matching it within your username on other social media platforms, websites, and your blog as well. So let's get to it. Now that you understand the importance of customizing your LinkedIn URL, let's walk you through the steps on how to do so. So, firstly, what you want to do is log it into your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile page, as you can see on here. So, we've landed on my main feed, and all you're going to do is go towards the right-hand side where your picture profile is, and it will say me underneath. And then what you want to do is just click on your picture profile. Then it says the view, so you want to click on view profile. And again, we're going to stick onto the right-hand side of the screen and straight away you'll see where it says edit public profile and URL. So you want to click on that. And again, we're sticking onto the right-hand side. And again, you can see it here. You can already see a URL. It says edit your custom URL, personalize the URL for your profile. And all you do is click on this pencil. So I've already kind of customized mine. But let's say, for example, I wanted to customize it so it looks exactly the same as all my other social media handles. All I'm going to do is click and type into there. So this is my current one, which I'm going to save because it has some honorifics for my qualifications. But let's say if I wanted to change it to digital educator coach. So all I'm going to do is click into there and type it in. And that's how it's really simple. And you just check that you've got the right spelling. So digital educator coach. And then once you are happy with it, you click save. So I'm not going to change it because I want to leave it as it is. So I'm going to go back to my original. And then all you're going to do is click save once you're happy. And it says successful. You can see towards the left-hand side, bottom of the screen. We've updated your settings. Search engines can take some time to detect changes and refresh LinkedIn and refresh. So LinkedIn does not control that refresh process. So just saying to you, be patient, but that's how you customize your URL. Fantastic, right? So that's it. We've now customized your LinkedIn URL. It's a simple yet impactful step that beauty and wellness professionals can take to enhance their personal brand, improve search engine optimization, and create consistency across their online presence. So don't miss out on this easy opportunity to make a lasting impression on potential clients, employers, or collaborators. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow beauty and wellness pros. And don't forget to subscribe for more digital education tips. Until next time.